My name is Jacek Czarnikowski. I am professor in Lublin University of Technology. And today we will show you how to create a system and its architecture. Right now, we are facing global warming. Increase of temperature causes extreme weather conditions that is made by greenhouse gases emissions. One of the main sources of these gases are transportation, especially the cars. So, we are looking for new technology to make the transportation and the cars greener. There are two ways. First is optimization, by creating the more efficient cars. And the second is using a new technology that is low or zero emission system. Hydrogen is one of the most promising source of the fuel for zero or low emission vehicle. This is a gas that can be used in any systems with different technology, of course, the combustion or non-combustion oxidation. And this could be a very green technology, zero emission if it is taken from the renewable energy. There are some existing technologies that we have already created, and we can achieve very quick refueling time. But the biggest disadvantage of the hydrogen is low energy density. This needs high-pressure tanks, or they need low temperature. Also, we don't have the infrastructure to have these fuel on the fuel station. And the most important is fear of explosion of the fuel. But the technology, what is created right now, can achieve this objective. And hydrogen fuel can be very good power source for cars. Now we want to tell you a little about why we are interested in such things and why we want to develop such things. So, every year as team, we participate in the Shell Eco Marathon. It is a student competition for super efficient cars. So, one of the greatest testing grounds for the new technologies is a student competition called Shell Eco Marathon. For 40 years, this competition gathered the students from around the world, which are developing, testing, and compete with the prototype and urban concept car, which can be driven in very little emission and fuel consumption. And here is something about our university. We are from the Lublin, which is in the east part of our country, Poland. Lublin is called a student city because we have 5 universities established, and it's almost 1/3 of the city population. As you see, our university has 70 years of the tradition, and we started from the engineering school, and now we have full academic rights. At our university, we have 28 degree programs and over 7,100 students and around 800 teachers. We have one campus, and here's our team, which is Hydro Green Pole Loop Team. We made super efficient cards, which participate in the Shell Eco Marathon. Over 11 years, we have competed with the prototype vehicle, which is called To the Hydros. This year we have started a new project. This is the project of urban concept vehicle, right now called BOLID. And both of these cars are fueled by the hydrogen using the fuel cell. So both are very similar, so we want to develop the system. The system is same for both cars. Right now we are talking, showing you a little bit more about this and what we achieved. When we are looking on the system in first for the beginner idea, it is very simple system. The driver pushes the accelerator and the car moves. So theoretically, the system is very simple. Accelerator, power source of power production unit, then engine and a car. That's it. So theoretically, where is the problem? The problem is starting when we are thinking about the safety. When you are thinking about the safety for the list of priority of the students, safety is the last page. And very small things. So they are not thinking about it. So the organizer of the Shell Eco Marathon competition forced the students, forced the teams and participants to have the safe system by putting the regulation. For example, this regulation for 2025 described the safety features. Also the design of the vehicle, maintains them, and testing. That is a very restricted check in the beginning of the competition. Every year, first 3 days are dedicated for checking of all system that fulfill the requirements of the cars.